Test your English with 40 challenging questions. Think you can get them all right? Pick the correct option. Answer C. Emergency. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Globally. Which word is spelled correctly? Answer A. Impossible. Find the best synonym of item. Answer C. Thing. Which word is a synonym of imperious? Answer A. Domineering. What does "the coast is clear" mean? Answer B. Safe. What does "be on a roll" mean? Answer D. Succeed. Choose the plural of trick. Answer C. Tricks. What is the plural form of potato? Answer A. Potatoes. Choose the plural of stimulus. Answer B. Stimuli. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer A. She must be at the library. Her bag is there. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer C. Whom should I ask for the report? Can you guess the missing word? Answer D. Her willingness to help others was admirable. Select the antonym of erase. Answer B. Preserve. Pick the antonym of assign. Answer C. Dismiss. What is the opposite of impede? Answer A. Facilitate. What is the past tense of outrun? Answer B. Outran. Choose the correct past form of unbend. Answer D. Unbent. What is the past form of tread? Answer C. Trod. Which is a synonym of petty? Answer B. Trivial. Pick a synonym of report. Answer C. Describe. Choose a synonym of malevolent. Answer A. Evil. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Contribution. Which word is spelled correctly? Answer C. Meditate. Pick the correct option. Answer D. Imagine. Which option is correct? Answer B. Obsessive. What is the plural of nucleus? Answer A. Nuclei. What is the plural of pass? Answer C. Passes. What is the plural of appendix? Answer A. Appendices. Fill the gap. Answer D. I wouldn't be surprised if they arrive late again. Can you guess the missing word? Answer B. He attempted to break the record. Fill the gap. Answer C. The feasibility of the proposal was questioned. What does go off track mean? Answer B. Deviate. What does twist someone's arm mean? Answer D. Persuade. What does turn a deaf ear mean? Answer C. Ignore. What is the past tense of slide? Answer A. Slid. So close now, just 4 questions remaining. Choose past form of resit. Answer A. Resat. What is the past form of sublet? Answer D. Sublet. What is the antonym of instill? Answer C. Eradicate. Select the antonym of balance. Answer A. Imbalance. Congratulations! Share your score in the comments and subscribe for more quizzes.